is featured on the border of which state? Rhode Island or Montana?
Rhode Island.
It is Montana.
I knew that.
Okay, your second question. The first at Kill Devil Hills is commemorated on the border of which state? North Carolina or Iowa? North Carolina.
Sniff.
Nana. Conservationist John Muir and
Bless
the
you.
theme of your
Bless
Symphony
you.
Rally
Bless
is
you.
on the border of which state?
Be quiet.
I'm really tired of it, guys. You need to turn around with your mouth closed. Are you ready?
Bless you.
Kansas or Maine?
Maine.
Maine.
I'm so
Good job, Danny. Pretty cool.
Tyler is featured on the border of which state? Nebraska or Maryland? Nebraska. Appears on the border of which state that is home to an auto race named for the state's capital? Washington or Indiana?
Indiana.
Indiana.
You go.
Be quiet.
Oh, it's funny, huh? Represented on the border of which state? Arkansas or Colorado? Alaska or Ohio? Alaska. New Mexico.
Bro, you didn't get right.
The historic horseback ride of the Delaware.
You okay?
An outline of the Great Lakes appears on the border of Michigan